Hey, algebra students, here is your extra practice problems. You can see these 6 problems here. You can pause the video and work them at your own speed. They should be pretty simple. And when you're ready, you can see my solutions. If you're still watching, I'm assuming you want to see my solutions, so they'll be popping up here in a moment. Okay, there are my solutions. If you want to see me work through them really quick here, I know my LCD has to be 10. So I won't do anything to the second fraction. The first fraction will be multiplied. And so I'm going to get 6 and 2 is 8 over 10. And if I know there's a common factor of 2, I can divide both numerator and denominator by 2 and turn it into 4/5. This one here, my LCD is going to be 20. Multiply by 5 over 5 right here, and by 4 over 4 here. That'll give me 5 minus 12, and that whole thing could be over 20, which will equal -7/20. All right, this one here, the denominators are the same. I'll add and get 21/18. Now, I'll simplify that because they're both 21 and 18 are divisible by 3, 3, 6, 7, 6, and that's the same as 1 and 1/6. By the way, either one of these is a good answer. You don't need both. I know you might have heard a long time ago that you should never give an improper fraction as an answer. That teacher was incorrect. You can give improper fractions. You're going to see when we do slope, improper fractions are actually more useful than a mixed number. All right, moving right along, problem number 4. Looks like my LCD is going to be 8, so I'm going to multiply by 2 over 2 on the second fraction, so I'll have 3/8 minus 4/8. 3 minus 4 is -1/8. Okay, or I could have written it like this, and it would be the same thing. All right, this fraction here, LCD, looks like it's going to be 15. To turn a 3 into a 15, I'll multiply by 5. If I do it in the denominator, I have to do it in the numerator. I'm going to end up with 19/15. It doesn't simplify, but it does change into a mixed number of 1 and 4/15. Either one of those answers is acceptable. All right, last one. I need to turn a 6 into a 24, and therefore I'll multiply by 4, and I'll do the same thing in the numerator. All right. And that's going to equal -5 over 24. There you go. If you got all 6 of those right, you're pretty sharp with fractions. If not, you're going to need some extra practice. Don't worry, you'll get some time to practice it in class tomorrow. All right, that was your extra practice lesson. Mr. Lawrence signing off.